innovative experiments like use of ICT, joyful learning technique undertaken by teacher. I have uploaded 260 content pieces including educational videos, experiential videos, explanation content and extra questions on Vidyadan portal under Diksha CBSE. This is the class-wise bifurcation. Recorded video lessons for National Repository of Open-Ended Resources at NCERT. Contributed in content updation work on Diksha portal at SCRT in August 2018 and March 2019. Formed innovative assessment tools to test the achievements of the students in which the students themselves evaluate their learning outcome. This is such a assessment tool in which if the answer is right, the color of the answer will turn to green, and if the answer of a student is wrong, the color will be red. So the student himself knows whether his answer is right or wrong. I have myself developed this assessment tool for the student. Started a unique program, Mission GK, in which I have been sending GK content to the students from Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, other states and some foreign countries too, in both Hindi and English medium by developing my own website, Facebook page and WhatsApp. 4,200 students are registered on my website, 1,14,000 students are connected on Facebook, 2,200 students are connected on WhatsApp, and along with these students, there are 399 teachers who have been regularly gaining GK from myself. So around 1,20,000 students and 399 teachers are part of this Mission GK program in which I am sending GK to these many students and teachers. These are the WhatsApp and broadcast groups of my Mission. This is the Facebook. I posted an information about deadly coronavirus on 15th of March 2020 and it reached to around 1,14,000 students. Launched my website missiongk.com. Around 4,200 students have registered on the site and are studying GK content in English and Hindi medium regularly. Under SCRT, I developed e-content for all classes in which NCERT lessons were made interesting and effective with the help of audios, videos and graphics. The same e-content has been circulated to all schools of Chandigarh and is being regularly. Recorded video and audio voiceovers at Recording Studio Sector 82 for PM eVidya project under NCERT. Again, another lesson recorded for PM eVidya project NCERT. Created a YouTube channel and have been regularly uploading explanation and experiential videos for the benefit of students. Till date, my channel has more than 753 subscribers and 55,000 views. I'm trying to benefit a large number of students by sending them explanation videos. Prepared and recorded audio and video lessons for CIET and NCERT in August 2018. I have created more than 435 videos and uploaded on my YouTube channel. My math videos are being sent to the students of all Chandigarh schools through cluster groups during online teaching. Contributed in preparing and compiling 9 CCT booklets for all students and teachers under Education Department Chandigarh. I'm part of PISA Resource Group Chandigarh and we have been training teachers as well as making resource materials for their help. Represented Chandigarh at NCERT on orientation program for state resource groups on ICT in August 2018. Formed a WhatsApp group of not only my students but also students and teachers from other schools and provided them extra questions of class 10th mathematics, thus helped to prepare them for their board examinations. For 4 consecutive years, I organized MindSpark, an inter-school GK quiz program for the students, provided 10 questions to students in Hindi and English medium for 6 months and after that conducted inter-school GK quiz contests. Uploaded GK questions on my school's website for 4 consecutive years under the GK quiz program Mindspark. During COVID-19 lockdown, I created 10 online quizzes for the students, mostly on mathematics, and 2 quizzes on Ramayana. Each quiz was participated by students from different schools of Chandigarh online. On Mission GK website, I have been uploading audio GK content for Divyang and CWSN students. I'm also preparing audio GK question series for the students of Institute for the Blind, Sector 26. Conducted online quiz for the students on safe environment. Organized special session of ICT lessons in the class. Contributed in translating modules of maths in Hindi and English medium at SCRT. Mission GK website, I'm also giving a platform to students to upload their creative ideas in the form of paintings, poems, or singing, etc. I'm myself using digital content prepared by me in my class. The students enjoy these classrooms and learn maths as well as other subjects with interest. I have given ICT training to more than 1400 teachers of UT Chandigarh and occasions organized by SCRT as Education Department. I have acted as resource persons on many occasions at SCRT as well as by Education Department, Chandigarh. All and acting as a ICT resource person in promoting ICT and gain a lot using ICT techniques, using videos, and thus I have not been using ICT myself, but I've also inspired and motivated other fellow teachers of UT Chandigarh to use ICT to make their teaching effective and interesting, and thus I'm using ICT as an effective tool in the teaching learning process. Joyful teaching and learning. I've tried to involve as many animations and graphics as well as cartoon videos in my lessons so that my lessons become more interesting and have a lasting impression. Imparted CCT training to teachers of UT government and private schools on how to enhance joyful learning. Myself used many cartoon and animated characters like Mickey, Minnie, Doraemon, Donald Duck, etc. in my lessons, which enthralls the students and make maths a fun. Developed maths lab in my school in which I have prepared more than 60 maths models. Have made so many math toys in order to make math learning interesting and fun loving for the students. Wrote some math boliyan in Punjabi and prepared a Punjabi Gidda on mathematics. The students learn maths topics with the help of Punjabi Gidda. Conducted CCT activity for primary students to make math learning joyful and acted as resource person on joyful learning techniques. Prepared 60 low-cost math teaching aids and models in my maths lab which are used by all the teachers to make maths concepts easy to learn and understand. I'm using storytelling method to explain the concept of mathematics in such an interesting way that the students enjoy learning in the classrooms. Organized Mela in my school on several occasions and also participated in math and science exhibitions at CRT. Organized a unique Rangoli competition in the school to make Rangolis based on the topics of organized maths Mela on other occasions in my school as well as at SCRT. Preparing TLM for the students and using these TLMs in my classrooms. CCT based teaching, CCT based activity by making students read and analyze road signs and notice boards on in February 2020. Under best practices, around 1800 students of 36 different schools of Chandigarh have visited my maths lab and benefited in 2018 and 2019. These are some pictures of maths lab invited by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to give training to their teachers from Punjab, Haryana, J&K, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand about use of low cost aids. These are pictures of maths lab and again gave training to maths teachers about making math activities and effective use of TLM. Motivated students to make math models for state science and math exhibition. Training to teachers, math lab visited by other schools. activities, all pictures of maths lab visited students of the school. This way I'm trying to make low cost maths materials and try to teach students using these materials. Conducted science and maths quiz at Government High School 73. Appreciations from different government schools of Haryana. Thus, I have been using ICT as well as low cost TLM in my classes extensively. As a result of this, my class 10th board examinations are giving good results. Students have shown improvement in the results due to all my efforts.